back for another video. Today we're at fuck. Alright guys, today we're at Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're at muffler right here. Since we just put a CATLESS downpipe on my GTI, it is fully straight piped, so it's a little bit too loud and raspy, so we're just gonna add a magnaflow muffler. I'll drop the link in the description of what one I put in. And here's a little sound clip of before. Give it a couple revs. Alright. Sounds pretty good, but when you get up top end, it's a little bit raspy for me, so we're gonna put that muffler in right now and I'll get back to you. Two and a half inch right here. We got the resonator right there, and we're just gonna put it right there. He's gonna cut it in. All right, guys. So here's a little exhaust update. After we just put that resonator in, they had a little problem. They fucking blew out an air line because with the torch, fuck. And then, but they fixed it a little bit. They temporarily fixed it. But we got the resonator in. Here's some couple revs of the resonator.
Okay, alright. That's a little sneak peek.
Yep.
Gang shit. Alright, let's go do some flybys. Y'all wanna see if okay, I don't like it.
Alright, so a little access port review. I got that because I got the Stratified tune. Fuck. Woo!
I feel like it pulls pretty good. Is that just you losing traction?
Oh, I might have been rev over there, I don't know. Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh! Oh shit! Dude! Alright, so if you guys did not just hear that, that was the first reaction to the burbs. Welcome, burbs. Fuck. Shout out to Stratified. Damn. Fuck.
What did you do?
I don't know. Fuck, that sounded good though. Yeah, we're pushing like 23.8 pounds, and on stage 1 it was about 18, right? Like that was peak. And so we peaked 23.8 so far, and we just flashed it. So holy shit, we'll go get some flybys and whatnot for you guys. So oh my god, that was what I have done is I just put in the CATLESS eBay downpipe. Would not recommend.
What? Was it worth it?
No. We had to draw out the whole. It's pretty sketchy. Whatever. Anyways.
Does it work? Yes, it works, but recommended no.
And then just got that magnaflow because it was way too loud and raspy. Put the magnaflow muffler in there. It's all right. A little bit quieter than I thought, but.
All right, you guys want to hear sound clips? All right, let's hear a couple of revs in a second. All right, rev it, corn dog.
Oh my god!
All right, here's gonna be his reaction because that shit just was fucking loud. It's like, you want me to hold red line or?
I don't know. Just fucking try it.
Oh, doctor!
That is fucking loud.
Holy shit, dude, that sounds so fucking good.
All right, so there's a couple runs by him. He wants to hear it. I get his reaction. I don't know how to drive it, so probably gonna fuck it up.
Yeah, I want to hear this shit.
Dude, I don't know how to like crack pop wood though.
You'll figure it out.
Money to bounce off rev limiter right now.